everyone, let's welcome to the series of Core Java interview question. And in this video, I will discuss one question which is asked in the interview. The question is, what is the use of public static void main string argument method? So whenever you are writing any program using the programming language like C, C++, and Java, in every programming language, we are writing the main method. So main method indicates that it is the main entry point for each and every programming language. So whenever we are considering this as a Java program, this is called as main entry point for your Java application. So this method will be called by using Java virtual machine to run your program. Suppose you are considering that you are writing the code using C programming, then you are importing these header files in that program. Then you are writing void main, and in that void main you are writing the actual code of your program. So how your code can be executed? This code can be executed by executing the program after your compilation. So whenever you are compiling your program, this program can be converted from high level programming language to low level programming language. So in that high level programming language, you are written your actual code of your program. It can be written using C, C++ or Java. Suppose you can consider that you are writing the program using Java. So our program will be written in using .java file. This is called as our high level programming language. After that, this program will be compiled using JavaC compiler. Once compiler will check the errors in the program, if the program is error free, then this program will be converted into bytecode. That is called as a .class file. And this is called as bytecode of our program. And this bytecode can be run anywhere by using this Java virtual machine. So whenever your program will be compiled, after that it will be goes for execution. When your program will be executed, compiler will automatically goes to your main method, because this is called as entry point for each and every program. If you are not writing this method in your program, then compiler or your JVM will not understand where to start the execution of your code. That's why it is called as the main entry point for any of the application. So whenever you are considering this method, that is public static void main string argument, it consists of 4 parts. The first part is public. So what is this public? Public means it can be accessible to the JVM from anywhere. So whenever you are writing the code using public, whenever you are writing your method using public keyword, that time the method can be accessed anywhere in that code. Static means this method, you can observe we are writing this method as a static. So when you are calling your execution to the program, this main method can be called automatically without creating the object of that main method. So the method which can be called automatically without creating the object, that method can be considered as a static method. There is no object can be created for calling this main method. After that, we are writing over here void main. So void means we are not returning any value by this function. So it does not return any value to the Java virtual machine. And our last part is string argument. So it accepts the command line argument which will be passed to the program. When your program will be executed, that time you can pass the argument to that particular function. So whenever you have to pass any kind of argument, you can specify the argument in that string argument variable. So here we are not accepting any argument over here. That's why we are keeping this space empty. So you can observe this program over here, public class hello. So we have taken this method public over here and we have taken this class public over here. So public means we can access anywhere in our program. So our class name is hello and in that we have written public static void main string argument. And in that method we are printing hello Java. So when you are writing this hello Java in that public static void main using system.out.println method, is automatically called whenever your program will be executed. So first of all, what you are doing, you are opening your JDK, either it is VS Code or Eclipse or any other Java portable software. You are writing your Java code, which is written over here. Then you are compiling your code and then you are executing your code. So once you are going to execute your code, that time your compiler will automatically map to this function where the function will be written. So it will search for where is your main method. It will be directly redirect to the main method and whatever the code which is written inside your main method, that will automatically executed without calling to particular method. So this method is called as main method, which is called by Java virtual machine automatically without creating object. And we are writing this void over here, which does not return any value. So public means which can be called by Java virtual machine. We can call this method anywhere in the program. Static means we can call this method without creating the object. Void means it does not return any value. And here we are writing string arguments, which means we can accept command line argument whenever we are executing the program using command. So in short, without public void main method, our Java virtual machine cannot understand where to start the program. For example, consider that you are visiting to the bank and bank has two gates. This is our main gate and this is our back gate. So whenever customer comes to the bank, it can goes by main gate. They are not entering by back door. Correct? So same way, whenever our code can be executed, whenever you are writing any code using Java programming language, you have to go with that main method, not by going with the other random methods. First of all, this main method will be called and within that main method, we are calling to other methods. So you have to remember that these 4 points, public, static, void, main. So here you can consider you are writing your Java code. The Java virtual machine will start the execution of your program. So it will start from where? It will start from this void main. And after that, after executing this method, your program will be successfully executed once all the statements will be executed. So our program execution will begin with whatever the first statement will be written inside our main method. So we are writing this method like public static void main, then string arguments. And here is your curly bracket. Here is your end of that curly bracket. So your program will be start from that line. And whatever the line which you have written inside your program, that will be executed. So once your program will be start executing, it will find this main method. So without this main method, your program will not be executed. So that is the use of this public static void main string argument method.